Well, my project basically is to create a robotic system that can think for itself and you can control over the internet and it won't crash on its own. Well, we looked into robotics and we thought at the moment robotics entered a dead end, so we have to think of this thing that's called reactive robotics, where it reacts to what's given right in front of it at any given time. So that's what we looked at. Well, we had to use the sonar system to stop it from running into walls, and that's running an instinct, so it's called an instinct system, which stops you from basically killing itself. It's almost like the second law of robotics from iRobot, which means a robot can't cause harm to itself. And so we've got that in, so it won't let you crash into a wall at all. And then finally, we put in a technology called remoting, which is a bit like two programs running with an in-null zone in the middle where you can access other programs, files, and run commands over the internet. So once we had that set up, we had a robot that could control anywhere in the world that could survive on its own for long periods of time. I'm just starting my third year now, and I'm going to start building the actual intelligence, the raw intelligence onto it, which is protocols for picking up a pallet from a machine and then returning it, and just basically using its baseline intelligence to support a higher level of intelligence. So now that it can survive, it can do other things like pick up pallets and return them. That's its main job now. I've got a lot of experience. I mean, I've learned how to use the P3DX mobile robot. I know about remoting technology, I know about server technology, and lots of technology picked up, and I've got a good third year project out of it. In the future, I might do a PhD in the field of robotics. I'm not too sure yet. It's a really good thing to do, especially if you're going into the third year, because it'll set you up a lot for your project. It's a really good way of getting into that early, and then you go into there with more knowledge about the project, so you can go more in depth and therefore get a better mark.